Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Pearl and I have a Felicity Jane haul for you today. This is the kit for June. I haven't had a chance to open it yet, been super busy. The kids are finally done with school. And it comes with this hello card. It's a thank you card from Jenna. And it always comes with this beautiful black ribbon tied so perfectly. And here's our kit. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this kit is. It's called Katherine, and it's this girl with the overall shorts. Isn't that adorable? This does not come with the kit. I purchased that separately. I didn't get 2 sheets of the paper. I only got 1, although it's so cute. Maybe I should have gotten 2. These papers are so cute. Maybe I should have gotten 2. We'll see how many layouts I can get done with this. If I still have a bunch of embellishments left, I'll go ahead and purchase another one. We'll see how that goes. So this paper always comes with the manufacturer's kind of like a strip, and then I cut all these up so that I can use them when I'm layering, and I fussy cut these scallops too. So this is for the month of June, and let's go ahead. Look at this pretty flower. I wonder if I should fussy cut this. Oh, look at these like starburst. Can you see that? Yeah, that's pretty. And then it has these stripes and scallops. It has these berries and dots. Like this mint green color. Then is sparkles or stripes and sparkles. Well, that's pretty. Stripes. I like how it's all wonky. The stripes are wonky, they're not perfect. And then sparkle. Ooh, this is pretty. Can you see that? It's pink background with white floral. Oh, that is gorgeous. I might have to use this as a background like a solid. And the back is spots. I like that it's not all uniform spots, but I'm definitely going to use that. Hearts. Oh, I like it that it's with this yellow. And stars. But I do love this yellow. And then here are the 2 colored cardstocks. Okay, so I'm going to put these underneath here. Well, let me see. Let me put them over here. The stamp set that comes with this kit, it's the Katherine Week in Review. This is perfect. This is great for Project Life or for my journal, for my planner. And I love this. Currently loving watching reading. I wish I had been doing this every week because, you know, it changes all the time. So that's a good one. Now here are the journaling cards. Now the thing with Felicity Jane journaling cards, on the back of all of these are some types of like grid or dots so that you can use the back of them if you're not going to use the front. So here's happy, stripes, alpha, this is me, stripes, polka dot, sparkle, flowers, gingham, my current faves. Oh, I like that. Berries, and a plaid. So those are the journaling cards. It came with some die cuts, and I always love these Felicity Jane girls. So let's do this. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Comes with tags, the girl, more tags, always flowers, words, labels, starburst, my story, hearts, numbers. Well, this is good for list making. I'll have to think of a list to make. Maybe a currently. Yeah, see, there's a currently, and I can make a list of what's going on currently. Well, that's cute. It also came with 6 vellum frames. I usually have a hard time with frames, so I end up cutting them up and using them as layering pieces. And these are vellum. Look at how gorgeous that is. I wonder if I can think of another way to use these. Oh, those are gorgeous. So let me put those there. It also came with library cards. Love library cards. I love putting these in Project Life, and they're different colors on, no. They're the same colors on the back. Okay, so there's the library cards. Comes with these puffy stickers. Isn't that great? I love these hearts. Little tag. So it has that. Comes with a set of alphas, and these are the multicolor alphas, and I only got 1 more this time. Usually I get 2 more packs, but I'm not a huge fan of the multicolor alphas, but I thought I would go ahead and get 2 this time. So there's that. It also comes with these essential labels. Oh, cute. I always do my print and cut labels with Studio Calico Project Life kit. But oh, look at these tabs. Oh, each of these tabs shows a different color of labels. These are great for embellishment clusters too. Oh, and I love these colors. They're all the same colors as the alphas. So they have these labels. And then the last thing is just my stamp, which I purchased separately, the Katherine stamp, because I collect all the Felicity Jane girls. So there you have it, my Felicity Jane Katherine kit. Be on the lookout for some process videos. I can't wait to kill it. So thank you so much for joining me. I'll leave a link down below to subscribe to Felicity Jane and also to this kit. And I'll see you next time. Bye.